Hello, myself Sachin, and today we'll learn the difference between virtual DOM and the real DOM. DOM is the document object model. The real DOM is the actual document object model that the browser uses to render the web page. It is a tree-like structure like this that represents the HTML elements of a web page. The real DOM reflects the current state of the web page as seen by the user. When you directly manipulate the real DOM, for example by using the JavaScript to add or remove elements, the browser has to update the entire DOM, which can be slow, especially for complex pages. Now, why it is used? The real DOM is necessary because it is what the user interacts with on the web page. All visible elements and structures on a web page exist in the real DOM. What is virtual DOM? The virtual DOM is an in-memory representation of the real DOM elements. It's a lightweight copy of the real DOM. Now, how it works? In the first step, in the initial rendering, when the app starts, the entire UI is represented as a virtual DOM. React elements are created and rendered into the virtual structure like this old virtual DOM. One div having two edge elements. Now next in the second step, state and props changes. As the states and props changes in the app, React re-renders the affected component in the virtual DOM. These changes do not immediately impact on the real time. Now this is the new virtual DOM. Now in the step 3, we do a comparison using diff algorithm. React then uses a diffing algorithm to compare the current version of the virtual DOM with the previous version. This is the comparison process. This process identifies the differences or the diffs between the two versions. Now next in the step 4, reconciliation process. Based on the difference identified, React determines the most efficient way to update the real DOM. Only the part of the real DOM that needs to be updated are changed rather than re-rendering the entire UI. This selective updating is quick and performant. Now, when it decides, then it updates. The next step, update the real DOM. While the React applies the changes need to do into the real DOM. This might involve adding, removing, or updating the elements based on the differences reflected in step 3. This is the new actual DOM. Now, why it is used? The virtual DOM allows React to minimize the direct manipulation of the real DOM, which can be slow and resource intensive. By limiting the number of changes applied to the real DOM, React improves performance and ensures smoother UI updates. Okay, so now the difference. Performance-wise, the virtual DOM is faster and real DOM is slow. Purpose-wise, the virtual DOM is an abstraction layer that helps the React efficiently manage UI updates, while the real DOM is the actual structure that the browser uses. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.